Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get back deleted post on Instagram in 2022. So when you open your Instagram app, go to your profile, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then open menu, tap on three lines at the top right corner. From pop-up menu, go to your activity. Then scroll down and very bottom you will see recently deleted, proceed recently deleted. Please note that posts older than 30 days are deleted permanently. Now you will see your all recently deleted posts. To get back to your Instagram account any of your posts, just tap on post, then tap on three dots at the top right corner and then tap on restore. Then confirm restore post. Now go to your profile back and here, as you can see, I restore my this post.
If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.